The J-36 and JX are tailless, sixth-generation fighter jets. By revealing their prototypes, China signaled that it has surpassed both US and Russian technologies by integrating AI, improved stealth, hypersonic speeds, and advanced weaponry. Not only do the two sixth-generation fighter aircraft have power generation capabilities that hover around the 1 nu mark, but also their integrated network system could change the power dynamics in the Indo-Pacific. This is the first time that a country has developed more advanced aircraft technology than the United States since the end of World War II. It could mark the start of a significant shift in regional and global air power dynamics, especially given that U.S. military dominance depends on mastery of the air. The sixth-generation fighters are expected to move at speeds beyond Mach 2, and with design tweaks, they can reach top speeds closer to Mach 3, especially at high altitudes where the air is thinner. They are designed to act as a main node in a cluster of unmanned systems like drones that would operate many kilometers in front of the aircraft. By integrating manned and unmanned systems, including unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, acting as loyal wingmen, Chinese designers have increased the effective combat range of the aircraft by several hundred kilometers. The J-36 and JX prototypes are much larger than the US F-35 seconds or F-22 seconds. The Chinese believe that the newer generations of US fighters are too small, limiting the amount of fuel they can carry and their capacity to generate power, which is vital for operating advanced electronic systems. The diamond-shaped and tailless aircraft are designed for long-range stealth and high survivability in contested environments and feature a triple-engine layout. These suggest an emphasis on both raw speed and the heavy electrical demands of future combat. The massive internal volume of the Chinese sixth-generation aircraft indicates that their power generation capabilities are much more than their US counterparts. The Chinese believe that modern combat demands an electrical platform that can power high-energy radars, energy weapon, systems, and even potential directed energy weapons, DDU. China's approach to sixth-generation aviation is emblematic of a broader shift in tactical military thinking. The emphasis is now on creating a networked combat ecosystem where manned aircraft serve as the central command node that coordinates with a range of supportive assets from unmanned drones to long-range missile platforms. Such a doctrine forces China's opponents to confront a multi-domain threat where the lines between air, space, and cyber warfare are blurred. China's unveiling of the sixth-generation fighters, along with its recent advances in AI, semiconductors, and 6G, sends a clear message to other powers. The coming decade is likely to see a dramatic realignment of military power in Asia, with China at the top of the fighter aircraft pecking order.